Good Wednesday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Vazurek visiting with Ag meteorologist Chris Schrammick at Decision Weather Now, as well as WeatherValet. Chris, kind of starting to warm up over the next few days.
Yeah, Joe, we got this high pressure that's going to be expanding over the southwest. It's going to creep its way over the Rockies starting today and then over the area by Friday. And when that high pressure centers directly over the area on Friday, we're going to see those temperatures up there in the low 100s. So that is where we're heading. We're starting out there this morning around 60 degrees in Goodland. We got 64 in Colby and McCook. We got that patchy fog out there again this morning. However, the visibilities are over 1 or 2 miles. We got 6 miles being reported in McCook and Oberlin. You get a little bit further east, or Holdridge, we got 3 miles, and Norton is where it's kind of heavier, and it's at a quarter-mile visibility there in Norton. That's going to burn off quickly here this morning. The south-southwesterly winds at 10 miles per hour will become a little bit breezy this afternoon at 15 to 25. That'll push afternoon temperatures into the lower 90s. Then tonight's low, again, will be in those lower 60s. Then we start warming up tomorrow. We're going to go 98 for a high. Those south winds are going to pick up 15, 25 miles per hour again in the afternoon. Overnight low around 65, heading towards them low 100s for Friday. A little bit of weakening of the ridge over the weekend will bring our temperatures back down into the middle 90s. It doesn't look like we'll see any storms coming out of Colorado until possibly Monday and Tuesday evening of next week, where it's a little bit more flattened and temperatures will drop down in the upper 80s and low 90s. Again, these will be scattered hit and miss coming out of Colorado, so most locations may not see any rain at all. Other places, maybe a quarter inch, a half an inch if you get under a thunderstorm. Overnight low temperatures during that period will be in that 60 to 65 degree range. And then as we dry out, it looks like the next 10 days all the way through next weekend, that one chance of precipitation may be all we get. It does look like we got a dry period coming up here through that next weekend of the 23rd and 24th. Temperatures will be in the 90s. Then the pattern does look like it shifts there for the last week of April, where ridge will flatten, northwest flow will come back over the area. Some troughs from the north and west will bring increased chances for rain to finish the month and drop those temperatures back down, maybe seeing some 80-degree weather there at the end of August.
Once again, that's Ag meteorologist Chris Schrammick at Decision Weather Now, as well as WeatherValet for 106.1 KYVZ. I'm Joe Vazurek.